Hey everyone, I'm Danny, and welcome to Muggle Magic. In this video, we're gonna walk through my new studio, which I just set up and I'm extremely excited about. So let's get to it. So it's a little bit dark right now because I don't have my lighting, my camera lights or anything, like recording lights turned on, but hope you can see. I got this like really cool lamp here at Goodwill, and it just looks like this awesome like vintage lantern. And then we've got the Daily Prophet and a cauldron, and then we got the Monster Book of Monsters, and this is my basically potions shelf. A lot of the bottles, as you can see, are not finished. There's no labels on them or anything, but there will be in the future. We've got the Basilisk Fang right here in a bell jar. Yeah, I just got all these cool jars and things from secondhand shops, and I'm planning on turning them all into like potions like these. And these were not made by me. These jars actually are, these were fan mail sent to me. So I got a whole bunch of really cool potions from a few different fans. This one is lavender, and this one came in a subscription box, and I want to say it was Gobstone Alley, which I don't think they're even a thing anymore. Oop, there we go. Sorry, lost focus for a second. But yeah, here's my potions shelf. Yeah. And then we've got this little floating shelf display right here. I've got the, yeah, you know what? I can actually turn on the Triwizard Cup. There. That's better. And then we have Dumbledore's Army's Wand Collection from, this is from Noble Collection, and I actually found this at Goodwill, believe it or not. I don't know who in their right mind donated this amazing display, but yep, there it is. And then we've got the Quibbler, my replica of the Quibbler. We have my replica of the Marauder's map with Snape's message to, or I'm sorry, the Marauder's message to Snape, and then various different like footprints that I added in and stuff right there. This skull thing I found at Goodwill too. A lot of this stuff I found at secondhand shops. That really cool like sun looking candle holder, that came from Goodwill. The golden snitch did not come from Goodwill. And then here we have my little Hufflepuff display area. It's a Niffler with like a whole bunch of wizard money, wizard coins here. And the wizard coins came from wish.com, and it was pretty cheap, and I just bought a bunch of it because I thought it would be cool to have displayed somewhere. And of course we got Hufflepuff's cup, this awesome hourglass that I found also at Goodwill. And here is my Divination Table. So I mean, you've probably seen this on Instagram, which I've posted it there before, pictures of this sort of area. It's a little dark. I think I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my lights before I show you the rest of this stuff. But yeah, here's a wall with a bunch of my replicas and original designs. As you can see over here, we have the spell book. And then over here, we have the herbology book. So yeah, let's just go ahead and turn on my lights. So here's my lighting. This is what I use whenever I record. I set both of these up. These are my printers right here. I have this Brother printer. This is an inkjet printer. Down here we have my laser printer, which is a bit smaller, and I just have paper stacked on top of it right now because I don't have anywhere to put the paper. And then over here is my desk where I create my crafts and stuff. I have this little wall where I've hung some of my tools, and there's my Cricut, and other tools are gonna go right in here. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the lights on so that we can see what's going on. Okay, so I've got my lighting set up. This is what I would be seeing when I record, actually. Other than I'm also gonna have a monitor set up probably over there, or maybe in between them somewhere where I can see what the camera sees. But anyways, yeah, here it is with a little better lighting. There's my setup. Okay, so let's go back over here real quick. And here is the Divination Display. Got some black candles up, a crystal ball, and then this amazing deck of tarot cards, which is the Deviant Moon Tarot. But yeah, that's my favorite tarot deck that I have. I've got, obviously, the key to Harry Potter's vault at Gringotts. We've got some runes and the Grim back there. Yeah, I got the black candles and the candle holders at Goodwill, and I didn't try and clean them up at all because I thought it looked really cool. We've got the time turner up here. If anybody can tell me what this is, I know what it is, but do you know what it's from? And then we've got the Blood Pact from Dumbledore and Grindelwald. Got some butterbeer, quills, a little Hufflepuff stopwatch, or pocket watch, I mean. And then this awesome wand came from Wands of Ergon. And then this is a old vintage design book. And this is like the hands, you know, just like you would see. Especially this one was actually used in some of the designs. So was this one. I believe this was used on like a Weasley thing that Mina Lima made. Anyways, yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff like that in this book. It's an old 1920s, 30s book on typography and design. And I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and go over to this shelf. This is going to be my wand area right here at the top. Oh yeah, and I also put this little chocolate frog emblem right here on the shelving. So basically this area I'm planning on just filling with like wand boxes and stuff like that. These two guys, or actually all three of these guys, are gonna move at some point once I get that set up. And I thought this clock was also really cool. I got this at Goodwill and it kind of reminded me of the time turner, so I got that and I thought it was fitting. And then down here we have my Weasley's, Wizard Wheezes, and Quibbler display. We have Luna's cork necklace right here, and the Halloween Quibbler that I designed. That's fully readable as well. The decoy detonator I also got at Goodwill, believe it or not. And then we've got some awesome Harry Potter books right here. If you don't have these, I suggest you at least take a look at them because they're definitely worth it. We have some old vintage books down here. This is an old like Alice in Wonderland book. It just looks kind of Hogwartsy and magical. But yeah, I've got a lot of stuff down there that I need to organize. I haven't really decided what I'm going to do with this part of the shelf just yet. And then I've just got some supplies and things down at the bottom. Wait, I almost forgot. We have the pin display over here too. And these are all my favorite pins that I've gotten from different subscription boxes and stuff. And actually these two were gifted to me from Chris from her YouTube channel, Wizard Way, and where she does like Wizards Unite gameplay and stuff like that. Really cool stuff. I suggest you check out her channel. But yeah, I thought all these were my favorite pins, so I figured I'd put them up on this awesome pin banner display that came from AccioBox. My favorite pin out of all of these is this one because it actually is supposed to be, I believe, Nagini, and this is Gryffindor's sword. And it comes out and it's just so cool. Yeah, so there's my pin display. This do not enter room is actually just a little supply closet. And then this is the bathroom. So we don't need to go in there. So yeah, if you guys were wondering why I have been a little bit slower on my videos recently, probably for about the past month or so, it's because I've been setting up my studio. So hopefully this will help get me more productive and I can start posting more videos. And I'm also hiring an assistant to help me put together some of my DIYs. And yeah, I really hope you guys like my studio. I really enjoyed putting this together and I love it. So yep, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.
Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.